It's gonna be a blizzard, so I am gonna be freezing, but I'm gonna be layering 2 sweatpants, two socks, 3 jackets, and a bunch of blankets.
We're drifting a little bit.
Coco, is this your first time doing a blizzard? Is it your first time?
We'll be drifting by the morning, don't worry.
Oh man.
We'll be drifting by the morning.
It's cold. It's like tonight's gonna be around 18 degrees Fahrenheit. So, woohoo! Our first blizzard. Holy smokes. Coco, is that the window? Did you go through McDonald's window?
Oh,
Are you happy, honey?
I can't wait to have my truck back.
Yeah.
Were you cold last night? I was really warm. I was in my full-blown snow camo, and half the night I was like ready to start sweating. It was what, 17 degrees last night, and snowing. Still snowing a little bit, but ooh, I'll tell you what, the snow camo, it's warm. It's real warm. And it's like midnight, 12:30. I don't even know. I'm playing pool, and Michelle, all she wears is my clothing. So she's wearing my sweatpants that are way too big. They're way too big on me. Way too big on me. And they're just keep falling down. And then Coco runs over and he's like puts his paws on her legs and just rips them down.
I'm a gangster.
Oh my goodness. Whoever loses has to do laundry. So I should win. I should have won 100 times over, but I keep scratching. She's not winning. We're actually tied right now. And I keep getting her ball in, and then, yeah.
Hey, we're home. We're home, Coco. Yeah. So we are outside of our apartment complex because we can't get in. Ugh, and that is our window right there. We tried to break in, but we couldn't. We're home? Are we home? Okay, we just got into our apartment. Do you remember this place, Coco? Do you remember this place? Do you remember this place? Are we home? I have a toy here. Amy wants it. Go get it. Come on. Go. You savage boy. Oh, good boy. Good boy. Good boy. My favorite burrito place. How is it? Yep.
Huh.
Yep. Oh, I'm so excited. All right, so we're unpacking. These are core. Gonna hang these up here. This is like a big leaf, and I'll put it right there. Here. Boop. So boop, 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 boop. You know, it's gonna be picture frames of us. So it's gonna be pretty. What's going on, Coco? Hmm. Wow. Hi, Coco. Hi, darling. Do you like snow? Ready? It's cold. That's Idaho for you guys. Happy New Year's Eve! Right, Jake?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, we're gonna go to Pan Express with our in-laws. Well, my in-laws, Jake's brother and sister-in-law of his. Yeah. We're gonna go eat Chinese food, and then we might see Spider-Man movie. So I really hope it's good. And then Coco, what is Coco doing? He's just playing around. We're doing donuts, baby, with our brother-in-law.
Idaho's #1 hit music channel.
So we went to the movie theater at 9:30, right? 9:30 p.m. to go watch the Spider-Man movie, but they're closed. So what we did is I'm gonna make some popcorn, some salt, some butter. You see it popping right now. It's really cool. And then we're gonna watch a show, and then we're gonna drink some of my favorite sparkling juice. Yeah, why not? And Jake also bought some shrimp and cocktails. I was okay, bye. Happy New Year's Eve. I wish you guys lots of blessings, lots of positive energy, love and comfort, and of course, Jesus.